All right, I'm here in the law-abiding biker store. I have a flashlight that I submit you absolutely need in your shop. Well, for working on motorcycles, of course, or cars or whatever you need. We're not one of the big conglomerate stores online. We really care about what we put out to the biker community. I was looking for a great LED flashlight that's very versatile for working on motorcycles in a shop environment. I definitely nailed it on this. I found this one. In this video, I'm going to break it down, tell you what's so great about it, and why you should consider getting it for your shop. And so this is the Flexit Pocket Light 6.5 LED flashlight. Be careful of other similar lookalike knockoffs online. If you want to be sure you get this light, get it from the Law-Abiding Biker store. I will link to it in the description below. All right, so I'm going to grab one of the boxes here off the shelf, and we will head over to the service counter here in the Law-Abiding Biker store, because I want to go over this light more and tell you why it's so great. Of course, I'll show you what comes in the box, and you better believe in the Law-Abiding Biker shop where we do all our tutorial videos and stuff, we have several of these guys floating around, and we absolutely love them. All right, so I feel like this thing is a really good price for what you're getting. Again, link in the description below. Of course, the flashlight comes in the box, but also in this package is going to be your USB Type A to USB Type C charger, and the USB-C, obviously, there's a slot on the side there for that guy to go in and charge. You will need a charging block. All right, so one of the key features on this guy and why it's called the Flexit and what makes it so great is exactly what it does, and that is the Flexit head. So you can obviously adjust it down depending on your project, adjust it up, and it holds. Not only that, you can go and twist it. So I can not only go down, then I can twist it at weird angles, and it's really flexible and it holds its spot really, really nice. Again, that's the Flex head. All right, and again, I wanted something very versatile, and that's exactly what this flashlight offers. It's got a clip on the back. Of course, you could clip it to your shirt, really nice, and then flex this where you want it so you get the light on your project. Not only that, a regular clip, you know, for just a shirt pocket, but it also has kind of a double swivel, and you can see right there, you could put it around something other than a shirt, something very thick on your motorcycle or whatever, to get the light where you need it. Additionally, on the bottom is of course a magnet, so you can stick that guy to any metal surface and then adjust your light as necessary. And even more is it has this really nice hang clip, so anything that you can hang that guy on, again, and adjust that light to where you need it, and when you're done with it, it pops right back in there. All right, guys, and if you appreciate this video and all the videos we put out to help as many bikers as we can worldwide, you can support us, and we appreciate it. You can shop right here in the Law-Abiding Biker store. And again, I'm linking to this in the description below. We care about every single customer, and we will definitely take care of you. It is a plastic body, keeping it light, but it's very durable. Again, this is for a shop type application. Of course, take it out in your trailer, take it camping, do whatever you want with it. It's got a lot of uses, but I specifically sourced it for motorcycles, of course. And we'll get into the LED lights. It does have a lot of different modes. Okay, so you'll see on the side of this guy, you'll see the lights right there. When I push the power button on, it's going to go ahead and light up and tell you how much battery charge is left in this. Also, when you're actually charging it, those will light up and tell you when it is full. All right, so in a moment, I'll turn this on. I will not point it directly at you. Off camera, we were just looking at it, and I'm already seeing black spots. It is super bright. It's got different lumens depending on which mode you're in. We'll go through that. What I want you to key in right now is to what that looks like in there. You'll see there's outer LED lights and an inner light, and depending on what mode you're in, those different lights will be on. The way you turn this guy on is the red button, and then you can also flick through the modes. If you wait any more than 5 seconds between modes, push that button again and it turns it off. All right, so I'll go ahead and turn this guy on. that is your brightest mode. 650 lumens, your outer and inner light are on. We go to the next mode, and this is your spotlight mode, and just the inner light's on, that's 350 lumens. We go to the next mode, the inner light goes off, and just the outer lights are on. Your floodlight, that is 300 lumens. And the next mode is a red light, you know, if you want to keep your night vision and not see spots like me, or if you're reading a map or something like that. But there's one more surprise, and that is if I turn it on the very brightest mode, I can go ahead and hold this button down, and you'll see it actually dims as I hold it down. It's going to bump twice, so that's the lowest it goes. And then if I push and hold it again, before that 5 seconds, it brightens back up. You'll know it's as bright as it can get when it bumps twice, and you can let off. All right, and I lied. I'm going to point it at you, and I hope you're all seeing black spots. It does hold an IPX5 rating for weatherproofing, which means essentially, don't go scuba diving with this thing, guys, but any type of oil or water or splashes or rain or anything like that, it is going to withstand that. All right, an absolute must-have in my opinion for your shop. There's a reason we carry this in the Law Abiding Biker store, because we trust it and believe in it. Now, I've got another really cool flashlight I got to show you real quick. You may or may not have seen it yet, but it's more for emergency roadside repairs. It's very versatile, very small, and we actually did a very detailed video on it already. I'll link to this product in the description below too for you, this flashlight. Scroll to the bottom of that listing and you'll get that detailed breakdown. But it is our Superfire TH04S flashlight. I always say be careful of knockoffs. You'll find the TH04, it doesn't have as much options and versatility. This is the S. You want to make sure you're actually not getting ripped off and getting the correct flashlight. Head over to the Law Abiding Biker store, link description, and you will be certain. Okay, so like I said, I did a video on this, but I just want to give you a quick overview on why I love it so much and why it's so versatile. Very affordable price. We have troubles keeping these on the shelf. They become so popular. So if you see them come in stock, we do have out of stock notifications on our store website. Get signed up, because once that pops, they go quick. So we're trying to keep those for you guys. But it's aircraft grade aluminum. It's a 90. It's got multiple different modes. It's super bright. It's LED. It's rechargeable. It's got a pocket clip. It's got a swivel 90 head. It's got another piece in here, headband, so you can use it as a headlamp. And again, the biggest thing is durable, reliable, but super compact. What I use it for, and I show you in the video, why I sourced it, is to go with you at all times. You should be prepared, obviously, with one of our Cruz tools, roll-up travel toolkits. They are amazing, lifetime warranty, quality tools. There's a reason we carry this and not other crappy brands. Been carrying them for many, many years. But this flashlight, this Superfire TH04S, again, it's the S model, is that we literally wrap this up right in our Cruz Tools travel toolkit. And you can see how nice it is and rolls up in that, and you can still tie this up so that when you are on the side of the road or wherever it is, you know, even during the day, you need extra light to see what you're working on a lot. And that's why I wanted to source another flashlight. But again, you can use this in your shop too, or wherever you want, obviously. But again, we trust it, believe in it, tested it. And again, that's why it's featured here in the Law Abiding Biker store. All right, get lit already. Most importantly, get out there and ride every chance you get, bikeholics. Peace.
I was a boy with a plan that turned me into a man. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. On business is right where I stand. Never been slipping on sand. And man, I keep winning and winning again. Whoops, I did it again. I was a boy with a plan that turned me into a man.